Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Ann-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change the language on your Nokia 105. Maybe you want to learn a new language and you want to change the language on your phone for that reason, and we can go to our settings and then say phone settings. And now we can say language, and here we can choose from other languages. We have Dutch, Danish, German, Turkish, whatever this is. And like all this, we'll set it to German right now. Now you see fertig. And if we go back again, you just need to go to your phone settings again, go to language, and then set it to English again. So that's how you can change the language on your Nokia 105. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.